Have you ever stopped to wonder how vital our five senses are to our existence? How would life be without sight, hearing, smell, taste, or touch? Today we'll delve into the fascinating world of our senses, exploring their functions and importance. Let's kick off with sight. Sight, arguably the most valued sense, enables the perception of light, color, and depth. Our eyes, the primary organ for sight, capture light and convert it into electrical signals. These signals travel to the brain, which interprets them as visual images. Sight plays a crucial role in our daily lives, from navigating our environment to enjoying the beauty of a sunset. Next, let's consider hearing. Our ears pick up sound waves and translate them into signals that our brain can understand. This sense allows us to communicate, perceive danger, and enjoy sounds and music. Without hearing, our understanding of the world would be significantly limited. Now, let's take a whiff of the sense of smell. Our noses house receptors that detect chemical compounds in the air. These compounds, or smells, are then interpreted by our brain. Smell not only contributes to our enjoyment of food and beverages, but also serves as an early warning system for dangers like smoke or gas leaks. Moving on to taste, our tongues are covered in taste buds that recognize sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and umami flavors. Taste, combined with smell, gives us the ability to enjoy a diverse range of foods and drinks, and helps us avoid potentially harmful substances. Lastly, we come to touch. Our skin is a vast network of nerves that detect pressure, temperature, pain, and vibration. Touch allows us to feel physical contact, perceive our surroundings, and respond to potential harm. To sum up, each of our five senses plays a vital role in our interaction with the world. Sight provides us with visual information, hearing enables audio perception, smell and taste contribute to our enjoyment and safety in relation to food, while touch gives us physical awareness. Each sense is a testament to the intricate design and functionality of the human body, reminding us to appreciate the simple yet profound ways we perceive our world.